If you have forgotten the password of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to the lock screen of your tablet. Then from here just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your tablet goes black. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just keep pressing both of these buttons until the screen of your tablet goes black. Now once the screen goes black, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And as you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now to navigate the screen, just press the volume down button and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now after you select this option, then press the power button to confirm your action. Now just press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset. Now before we continue, I want to inform you that by doing this process, you will delete all your data on your tablet, including the lock screen password. Now if you do not want to wipe your data, just select Cancel. But to remove the lock screen password, just select Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm your action. Now after the hard reset process is completed, then in the recovery mode, just select Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm your action. Now just wait for a few seconds for your tablet to restart. Now after the restart process is completed, you will see the welcome page. From here, just tap on the drop down arrow and select your language. Then tap on OK and select Start. Select Agree to All, then tap on Agree. Select Setup manually. Now from here, just connect your tablet to your Wi-Fi network. Now after you connect your tablet to your Wi-Fi network, then tap on Next. Now as you can see, it is asking you to enter the password of your lock screen. Beneath this section, you will find the option of Use My Google account instead. Now just unlock your tablet using your Google account. Now just enter your Google account. After that, just tap on Next. Now just enter the password of your Gmail account. And after you enter the password of your Google account, then tap on Next. Now after the verification is completed, now from here you can sign into your Google account for this tablet, or you can skip this step. Select Skip. Now if you want to copy your data, just select Next, or you can select Do Not Copy. Now if you want to sign into your Google account, just sign in from here, otherwise you can select Skip and you can skip this step. Now if you want to set a lock screen password or a PIN for your tablet, you can do it from here, otherwise you can skip this step. Tap on More and select Accept. Select Use Wi-Fi and tap on Accept. Now if you want to log into your Samsung account, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can tap on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account and select Set Up Later in Settings. Tap on Skip. Now just select Skip. Tap on More and select Agree. Now from here, just enter your date of birth. Then tap on Done. Now just select Next. From here, you can select your display mode. You have the option of dark mode and light mode. I will select dark mode, then tap on Next and select Done. Now as you can see, we have successfully removed the lock screen password on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can remove the forgotten password on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.